Okay! Hello, guys. This is like the first time I ever used my voice, but not acting or talking through my birds. We have a new bird. It's in this pretty purple packaging. So, let's see. Why is it purple? Like, hopefully this bird is good and not stupid. Okay, okay. So, I think this is the European Green Woodpecker. I think that's what it is. Yeah, that's probably what it is. Okay, we got a nice hair right there. Nice. So we got a tear in the bag. We got a tear in the bag. I just can't stay still. Okay. We got a hole. Oh, look, there's his face. Come on, you dumb bird. Okay. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Here he is. Whoa. Okay. Cool. Cool. Nice. It's a little... His voice is a little... Okay, when was he made? 2005? Oh, it's 2009, it says? 2009? That was 2005. Cool. Cool, European Green Woodpecker. He's from Europe. Nice.